I got a 2006 EZGO PDS. It's in excellent condition. The only thing was it didn't come with batteries, so I went ahead and I decided to do a lithium conversion. After speaking to my mechanic friend and reading the reviews online, I went with this DC House 36 volt lithium conversion. The battery is 38.4 volts, 100 amp hours, looks really clean, fits perfect in the EZGO battery tray. The one thing I had to do was grind these two metal pieces so it slipped in, and then just fastened them on each side. There's the charger. Here is the screen. You can see it easily during the day, and it's not super bright at night. I like how the lithium battery has given the cart a little more power and is a little less weight than the old lead acids. I also like that it only takes 2 to 3 hours to get a full charge on it before the charger shuts off. And there's the power button.